attaching all these crystals all over my first design, like these crystals and these little teeny tiny crystals, so I can officially tell you that my first design is ready. So the way I attached it, because I didn't really want to stitch the whole design, because I want it to be removable so that I can attach other designs that I'm working on right now and that will follow later. And I found these clips that I thought would be perfect and ideal, but at the end I realized that the veiling does not have a lot of volume to hide those little clips, and I came up with the idea of using these. I covered it with the same color thread. This is the thread, it's silk, it's really beautiful, same color, absolutely same color. And as a result, you can see I spread it, the veil equally on the surface of whatever it's called, and then you can easily attach it. And I can attach it everywhere, like anywhere I want, because these clips, I do have to stitch them to the outfit, so I'm quite limited in how I'm going to place my design. With these little things, I can attach it anywhere. I can attach it right here if I decide to, or I can attach it slightly at the back. I mean, you name it. Your design, your idea how to place it. So these little things give a lot of freedom of placing my collar, veiled collar, that looks really beautiful with my headband, you know, veil here, veil there, and my holiday festive costume is ready. So honestly, this is the first project ever that I'm working on that is not related to millinery at all. Obviously the materials are related to hat making, but I'm not applying them to hats, I'm applying them to clothes, which is something new for me, new and exciting, and I quite like it. But I would also like to hear from you, your opinion, your thoughts, your feedback, anything. I would appreciate any comments from you. And as well, would like to show my next design that I'm working on, and this is a netting, beautiful gray netting, and it has a light shine, which is not too much, so it's just perfect. And I'm planning on applying it right here. I mean, it's still with pins and everything, so I have to make final stitches, and I'm going to apply right this, but without the veiling, obviously, just like that. Or maybe, well, I don't know, I'll have to decide how exactly I'm going to look at it on the outfit. Obviously, I'm also going to use these clips to secure, so that I have more control and I can always change the location of this design on the outfit itself, which I think it's nice when you have a freedom of decision and you don't have to permanently finalize the stitches, and then if you need to change something, you have to cut the thread and restitch it, and it just takes much longer and takes much more time. Okay, so I'm gonna start working on this, and as soon as it's ready, I would be happy to share. And have a lovely evening.